Share an image or video used as an anime magnification model, and it will be exactly what its name suggests.
It works better for anime images or videos.
For example, this one, when it comes to images that lean towards realism, details will be lost, and it's clearly evident that the image has been animated.
It's like, what?
Like turning a photo into an image, real people become anime characters.
Its full name is Super Resolution from APISR Anime Production Inspire. Then Joule has already implemented it in ComfyUI, so you just need to install it directly. After installing the plugin, there are 2 workflows included by default. You can use them directly right away. So this place actually summarizes 2 points. First, it is specifically used for anime. Second point, fast and efficient. Once we understand these 2 features, I think its application scenarios become very clear.
The same applies to scaling up videos. It works well for anime-related content too.
And it will also be faster, right? Why is that? I want to enlarge the video, but I can't help but split it into individual frames, enlarge each one separately, and then reassemble them.
Navigate to RunningHub's AI or click the link in the description to register and get 1,200 points with an additional 100 points each day you log in. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.